Good morning, lovely class. Be ready, switch off your mics. And if you can hear me, leave a thumb up. Okay, so you can hear me. So here we are. We'll move on with synthesis of sentences. And we were doing, just let me see. Good morning, class. We were doing synthesis of sentences and we were on exercise C. All eyes here. Now use an infinitive to combine the sentences of each pair into a simple sentence. That means this is one simple sentence, this is another. Yet when you combine, you are forming a simple sentence only. Okay, so let us see. I have visited a few places recently. I wanted to write a travelogue. Now answer. I wanted to write a travelogue about the few places I have visited recently. Number 2, he is very weak. He cannot run. Answer when you're combining it. He is very weak to run. And see here, the use of to is telling you that you're using an infinitive to combine the sentence into a simple one. Okay, next. I was very furious. I couldn't contain myself. Answer. I was very furious to contain myself. Number 4. She'll hear about your success. She'll be happy. Answer. She'll be happy to hear about your success. Number 5. The house is big. It can accommodate all of us. Answer. The house is big enough to accommodate all of us. Number 6. I don't have enough money. I can't buy a house. Answer. I don't have enough money to buy a house. Number 7. He'll not speak to his principal. He is scared. Answer. He is scared to speak to his principal. Number 8. He wants admission in JNU. He's studying hard. Answer. He is studying hard to get admission in JNU. Number 9. I have 2 brothers. I have to look after them. Answer. I have 2 brothers to look after. Number 10. He will join politics. It is expected. Answer. It is expected of him to join politics. Now, in your copies, you'll be doing question number 10, question number 8, question number 7. 7, 8, and 10. Moving further to D exercise. Use an adverb or a prepositional phrase to join the sentences in each pair to make a simple sentence. So here again, either you are going to use an adverb. Adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb, and prepositional phrase, that means it will have a preposition along with a few sentences. So preposition is in, on, under, all that. Okay, let us see it. Number 1, join the 2 sentences. Use a conjunction to join them. Answer. Using a conjunction, join the 2 sentences. Okay. Now here next, take the other road. You will reach earlier. Answer. Taking the other road, will help you reach earlier. Put a tick mark on the second one, you'll do it. I repeat, taking the other road will help you reach earlier. Number 3, he is lazy. He got poor marks. Answer, he's lazy, therefore he got poor marks. Okay. Number 4, she failed twice. She continued her efforts to become an engineer. Answer, she continued her efforts to become an engineer despite failing twice. Put a tick mark on the fourth one, you'll do it. Number 5, they allowed Sheila to take the test. I requested them. Answer, I requested them to allow Sheila to take the test. Number 6, he earned a lot of money. He invests in the property market. Answer, having earned a lot of money, comma, he invests in the property market. In the first sentence also, comma is here. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. Then number 7, Mrinal is very honest. His honesty cannot be doubted. Answer, Mrinal's honesty cannot be doubted. Coming to the next one, 8th, we rushed him to the hospital. We didn't waste time. Answer, without wasting time, comma, we rushed him to the hospital. Please put a tick mark on the 8th one. Number 9, he decided to change the company. His decision was wise. Answer, deciding to change the company was a wise decision. I repeat, deciding to change the company was a wise decision. Number 10, he'll win the election, it is certain. Answer, his winning the election is certain. Now we come on to the next heading where you are joining 2 or more simple sentences, but this time you are forming a complex sentence out of it. Now, what is a complex sentence? Simple. A complex sentence will have one main clause. That means one clause which is all in all independent and one subordinate clause. Now, what is a subordinate clause? Clause which needs a subordinate, which works in cooperation. It cannot work alone. It is dependent on the main clause. So let us see. Number 1, subordinate noun clause. That means this particular clause, which is dependent on the main clause, will have a noun in it and will be a noun clause. Okay. Read the following examples carefully and note how a subordinate noun clause combines with the main clause to form a complex sentence. You absented yourself without permission. That has annoyed the manager. Now here you can see that has annoyed the manager is in itself not complete. Okay, so let's see. That you, now answer would be that you absented yourself without permission has annoyed the manager. So you have joined these two sentences. And see here, the subordinate noun clause was that you absented yourself without permission. Now, here the subject to the verb is annoyed. This main clause, subordinate clause is subject to the verb annoyed. And the main clause is he has annoyed the manager. This is the main clause on all in all complete in itself. And it is joined with a complex sentence. Number 2, I missed the rain. He asked me the reason of it. He asked me why I had missed the train. Sorry, not train. Now here, the subordinate noun clause is why I had missed the train. Clear? And object of the verb asked. So see the main clause, he asked me. and the sentence is joined in a complex form. Next, you should try harder. You will certainly succeed. Your success depends on how hard you try. Now here the subordinate noun clause is how hard you try. An object to the preposition on. Okay, so main clauses, your success depends on. Now it is joined by a complex sentence. Next, the project will be financed by the government. It is certain. Answer, it is certain that the project will be financed by the government. Now here the subordinate noun clauses, the project will be financed by the government. Now it is complement to the adjective certain. And the main clauses, it is certain. Clear? Coming to the last example, you will get a promotion. This is my expectation. The expectation has proved right. Now, answer here is my expectations that you will get a promotion has proved right. Now, here subordinate noun clauses that you will get promotion in apposition to the noun expectation. The main clause is my expectation has proved right. So these were the few noun clauses which were joined in a complex sentence. Combine the sentences in each set to form a complex sentence with a noun clause. Let us see. He has exercise E, all eyes there. He has lost his watch. This is a fact. Answer. It is a fact that he has lost his watch. Number two, she'll recover soon. I'm sure of it. Answer, I'm sure that she'll recover soon. Number three, they have bought a house somewhere. I do not know the place. Answer, they have bought a house somewhere that I do not know. Number four, the fire was an accident. It is my contention. Answer, the fire was an accident. That is my contention. Number five, he's going to be late. It is certain. Answer, it is certain that he's going to be late. Number seven, is the train standing at the platform? Ask someone. Answer, ask someone if the train is standing at the platform. Number eight, which plants can sustain life? Nobody knows this. Answer, nobody knows which plants can sustain life. Number nine, the enemy has sneaked in through the border. It is suspected by the BSF. Answer, it is suspected by the BSF that the enemy has sneaked in through the border. Last, she is saying something, I don't understand it. Answer, she is saying something that I don't understand. And this, you'll do the first one, you'll do the third one, you'll do the ninth one. That's it. Clear? We stop here. Now, in our next class, we'll be taking subordinate adjective clauses, this F exercise, and then subordinate adverb clauses and G exercise and finish. Okay. Thank you, class.